What exactly is a custom GPT, and why is everyone talking about them? Imagine having a digital colleague that's always focused on one specific task. That's the promise of custom GPTs: clarity, consistency, and productivity, without a single line of code. Today, you'll discover how to turn rough notes into a polished workplace email using a simple custom GPT, step by step. First, let's define what makes GPTs stand apart. Regular ChatGPT is like a flexible assistant who adapts to every new conversation. But a custom GPT? It's like giving your assistant a precise job description, set rules, and real-life examples to follow every single time. You set its role, instructions, and boundaries once, and it consistently delivers results tailored to your needs. To create your own GPT, begin with a clear use case. Don't try to solve everything at once. For example, instead of an assistant for all tasks, focus on new managers creating structured meeting agendas or employees drafting professional emails from messy notes. Remember, one audience, one task, one clear result. Let's build the clear email assistant. Start by opening ChatGPT and navigating to the GPT creation area. Find the option to create a new GPT. If your screen looks different, that's okay. Just locate the fields for name, description, instructions, and conversation starters. Name it Clear Email Assistant. Describe it as turns rough notes into concise, professional workplace emails. Short and specific. Now the instructions. Think in 5 sections: role, purpose, process, style, and boundaries. Set its role as a workplace email writing assistant. Purpose: turn rough notes into clear emails. Lay out a process, identify the recipient, purpose, and requested action. Ask clarifying questions only when information is missing. Draft the subject line in email. Keep messages concise. Define a style: professional, friendly, plain language, short paragraphs, highlight actions and deadlines. And boundaries? No inventing facts, use placeholders. Always remind users to verify important details. Add conversation starters like, turn these notes into a professional email, make this email shorter and friendlier, or draft a polite follow-up email. These give users immediate direction and clarity. Before testing, review the knowledge and capabilities fields. Keep things simple for your first GPT. It's better to focus on clear instructions than to add unnecessary tools or integrations. Ready to test? Use the preview area. Try a complete prompt. Email the project team. The meeting moves from Tuesday to Thursday at 2 p.m. Ask everyone to confirm attendance by Wednesday afternoon. Did it create a proper subject? Is the tone professional? Did it avoid inventing details? Testing isn't just about a good-sounding result. It's about strict adherence to requirements. Test incomplete prompts next. Enter. Write an email about the meeting. The GPT should respond with clarifying questions, not fabricated details. Real users rarely provide perfect context. A reliable GPT handles uncertainty gracefully. Improvement is iterative. Suppose the response was too long. Revise instructions, for example. Keep the email below 150 words unless requested otherwise. Retest. Compare and observe the change. Make one adjustment at a time to clearly track improvements. A practical testing routine includes 3 prompts: a normal request, an incomplete request, and one outside the GPT's scope. The clear email assistant should politely decline or redirect tasks unrelated to email writing. As you create your own GPT, think ahead. Who will use it? What task does it solve? What input does it need? What output should it deliver? And what must it never invent? Write down 2 realistic test prompts. Start narrow. Specificity beats breadth. Once satisfied, save and consider sharing. Keep your GPT private and test thoroughly before broad publication. Remove any sensitive information, double-check access settings, and always review your instructions and sample outputs. Let's recap. Custom GPTs are about clear purpose and consistent results. Structure your instructions around role, purpose, process, style, and boundaries. Test practical prompts. Improve iteratively. Share responsibly. Start small, aim for clarity, and let your GPT become the reliable colleague you always wished for. With these steps, you're ready to create, test, and share your own custom GPT. Let curiosity guide you, and let clarity be your compass.